What's up, guys? I'm actually like in the car right now because there's like we're evacuating because the Taal volcano technically exploded. Um, and if you can see, our windshield right now is full of ash. I mean, like, it's technically raining ash outside right now. So yeah, guys, I hope everyone close to Taal volcano is safe right now, guys. So goodbye. Guys, if you can see, our windshield is like totally blocked off by the ash and we can't see anything. And by the way, guys, if you guys are going outside, better wear masks because I heard that the smell of the ash or the smoke could give you pneumonia, I think. Yeah. But be safe, everyone. Guys, it is very traffic right now. It seems like many people are actually evacuating now because I think everybody's like leaving this whole area right now because I think this area is like the most dangerous place right now because it's like the closest to Taal volcano, you know. So yeah, the our windshield is like, it's very hard to drive because the windshield is like so murky. I mean, like, you can't see anything through it, you know. So guys, I'll see you when we get out of this place.
The windshield is
Very murky.
muddy.
Or murky,
I can't. Can I drive?
even I have the most perfect eyes, I can't even see through it. I mean, I could see, but kind of hard.
Oh my God, Lord, please guide us. Ilaw na lang nag-aano sa akin. Nag-guide.
Oh me, why? You must, mom, mate. Okay, that's better, I think. Ano siya ganyan? Okay na kanina eh.
Hindi kasi. Okay. Oh my God. Thank you.
Guys, thanks to the people out there because they're like washing the windshield for us because it's very hard to like see without them. We would probably make it, you know. I mean, look, the windshield is kind of clear now thanks to the people who washed it. Thank you. Hey guys, what's up? Right now we are in the contrast because we had to stay here and wait for the traffic to be gone. Yeah.
We need to get water.
And we needed to get water as well. Who this baby needing help?
Thank you, kuya.